Paying contractors on Justo is simple and efficient, making it easy to handle payments and 1099 filings for independent workers. Here's how. Add contractors to Justo. Start by logging into your Justo account and navigating to the People tab. Choose to add a new team member and select Contractor. Enter the contractor's information, including their name, address, and email. The contractor will receive an invitation to complete their profile and securely enter their bank details and tax information. Set up payment details. Once the contractor's profile is complete, go to the Payroll tab and choose Pay Contractors. Enter the payment amount, project or service description, and payment date. You can set contractors for one-time or recurring payments as needed. Submit payment. Review the payment details for accuracy and submit. Justo will process the direct deposit, typically transferring funds within 1 to 2 business days. End-of-year tax filing. Justo automatically handles 1099 filings for contractors, generating and sending them 1099 NEC forms at year-end. Contractors can also view their 1099 information in their Justo account.